How to unfollow deactivated accounts on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device and log into your account. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find following and followers. Click on followers. Then, in the followers section, click on deactivated accounts. You'll find all the deactivated accounts that you follow. Click on remove on the right side, which is beside their name. Then at the bottom, click on remove, which will remove them from your Instagram account. This is how to unfollow deactivated accounts on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.